All right, so today I'm installing on the silver iPhone. I'm gonna go ahead and install. I have a white stone dome on this one, but this is a matte glass. Period. So she didn't want a regular glass; she wanted a matte glass. So she always buys a matte glass. So now I'm gonna put it on for her. Let's see here. I can't find my unboxing knife for some reason. Oh, good. Some open tabs. These should be clear matte glasses. Normally they're privacy glasses, but these are supposed to be clear, and there's two of them. So this should be pretty interesting. Yep, man, these are nice. Clear matte glasses. We love matte in this house, man. So instead of using all the materials they gave me, I just have a microfiber cloth, and I'm gonna go ahead and install. Gonna go ahead and power off for now, and then we're going to put this glass on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, and we'll get this part taken care of, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Now it is inside the Rinky case right here, so we'll go ahead and get this done. This should be fairly fast. We're just gonna clean it up. And the reason I like to leave it in the case, I like to use the case as a guide if these screen protectors don't come with a guide. And most of the screen protectors today, they don't come with a guide. But it's not very difficult to put on a screen protector. You just have to make sure that there's no dirt or debris, and you get the glass, the phone, clean. And so that's why I take extra precaution in doing that, because once you put a glass on or a screen protector, once you lift it, it's a wrap. It's never going to be the same. Wherever you lift it at, that's where it's going to poke up at, and that's where it's going to never lay down at. So being extra safe here by just trying to get off any debris and get everything off, because there's always some debris hiding somewhere. It always seems to happen. I don't know what this spot is in the corner. Yeah, a little bit of debris. So we're going to go ahead and get that out. Make sure we get it nice and clean, and then we're going to pick up any dirt, any little lint particles that might be sitting around. When you're putting on a tempered glass, you just have to make sure you just do it right the first time. Don't waste time trying to rush to hurry up and get it on. Just do it right. So that looks fairly clean. This is a 2-pack, so if something were to happen, we decide to, something happens to her phone and they have to take it and give her a new one or something, anything, she'll have an extra one to use. Now, personally, again, I'm using white stone dome, and I'm going to put a thin matte clamp protector over mine. So before I drop this down, I always go over several times, and after you peeled it off, make sure you keep it facing down. And we'll try to get this on as easy as possible with a guide from the case. Sometimes you can use a case for a guide. Sometimes you can't. This should be fairly simple. Oops, it went on crooked. So if you do drop these down and they're on crooked, you just need to catch it before it starts to grab, because once it starts to grab, folks, it is a wrap. You cannot do it again. So if you feel like it's not on straight, don't put it on. And that looks like that is on straight. So you can see it's kind of working its way down. You'll see the bubbles area there where you'll need to push it out. But other than that, this should go on pretty good, and we should be fine. You can see it's going to seal up. Once it touches, it's on there. And these matte glasses are very expensive, like $8 for 2. So, and this is one of the more affordable ones, but you can get them for a lot more money than this. So there's 3 or 4 bubbles there, but they're going to be pushed out right away. So use a microfiber cloth and push away like this. And see, in these spots right here, this looks like this is some debris. Yeah, that's debris. So before I really seal this up, I want to get this back out. See if I can get this up, get the glass off without lifting very hard. if I can. Yeah, this one, I'm almost afraid to take this one off because it's going to be on there, and that little spot on there is going to be a tough one to get out, unless that's just a glass. Oh, this feels so good. All right, so let's see if we can get this debris out of here. I'm just going to peel a little bit of back of the case on the corner. And remember, once you lift these glasses, it's almost impossible to get them to stick again. So I'm going to go under here. Yep, I can see the debris. Oh, it came all the way up, so no worries. We'll go ahead and just clean the glass, because it looked like it was on the actual glass for some reason. You can see the little hair particles just coming off. Now that corner right there where I lifted, let's see if it goes back down. Normally it does not go back down, and if you are able to get it down, you've got a quality glass. So let's push the phone back down in here. And now let's see if we can get this on and get it to work right with no debris. So this time, as you can see, it's kind of sealing up a lot better on this side. We just need to worry about the bottom. If it goes down, we are going to be doing good. That corner, remember where I lifted? Oh, that was a good one. So just that corner is the only place that's a little bit, because that's the adhesive down there. But this time, I'm not lifting. So there it is. Wanted to go ahead and do this real time. This is a good quality glass. These were $8 for 2 of them on Amazon, this is could have gone on even smoother if I would have got more of the debris out the first time. But as you can see, I was able to lift that and then get the debris out and then put it back down for a nice, smooth, matte, clear glass on there. Very nice. So we'll get the power button back on, and then, oh, that's beautiful, man. There's a two-pack. I might need to jack her other one. Nah, but what I'm gonna do is I have white stone dome on mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's raise this camera up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put a matte screen protector over top of my white stone dome. That's just how I like to do it sometimes. So let's get this in here and show you the touch sensitivity. All right, so you can see on her screen here, touch sensitivity is good. This matte is flawless. Good to go. Good to go. And again, taking another look, matte screen protectors are just the way to go. And then matte glass is a serious upgrade. So there it is, matte glass. I'll leave this one down in the description. This is just great. So as you can see there, real time, I was able to lift this one and then get the debris and put it right back down before it kind of sealed up. And you can only do that maybe once. Depending on how well the quality of the glass is, you will not be able to do that more than once. Because I've done that before. I've gotten some brand new ones in and I messed them up, man. I lifted it once and it was a 1-pack and it was a wrap. So here it is right here. You can see in that corner where I lifted, you can barely see it, but it's definitely there. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. That's beautiful. That is beautiful.